So you have a dream, a goal, a purpose, a clear-cut vision. You can't explain it, but you know you have to go for it. Give it your best shot and achieve it. It seems to be almost within your reach, almost in your grasp, but you are never able to achieve it. After multiple times of trying, you realize there are two sides to you. There's you, the dreamer, and then there's your mind. The dreamer in you is the deepest part of you that so badly wants to achieve your dream that you almost feel incomplete without it. But your mind has a database of all the experiences you ever had in your life. It constantly questions your every move and act, asking you questions like, do I deserve this? Am I capable of doing this? Who am I to do this? But that's just the duty of your mind, to protect you from harm. So it draws experiences from previous lessons in order to keep you safe. But your mind is like a machine. It doesn't really know what's good for you and what's not. All it knows is that it must protect you from any discomfort or harm at any cost. So how do you handle these questions that arise in your mind that are actually preventing you from achieving your goals? This is a simple but extremely effective technique that I learned that helps me keep my mind in check so that I can actually give my full focus to my dreams and really go for it. Every time I'm not putting myself completely out there to play to win, I ask myself why. And then the voice in my mind whispers to me, "You're not worthy, you're not capable, who are you to do this?" So this is when I put this technique into play. I don't suppress this feeling, I try to feel it as completely as possible. Let me tell you, it feels pretty upsetting. Once I have completely felt it, I ask myself, does it serve my dream? The answer is always a resounding no. So then I speak to this feeling and I tell it, I don't need you to serve me anymore. You are free to go. I feel it leaving me and then it's completely lifted off me. I'm now free to focus on my dreams, give 100% of my attention to it and actually play to win. Sometimes I perform this exercise again and again until I completely get rid of these negative thoughts. So that's my method of how to be in charge. Let the dreamer in you be in control of your mind and you will certainly play to win. Let your mind control the dreamer in you and you end up playing not to lose. This is Aisha signing off. Hope you're having an awesome day. Follow me for more amazing tips on how to live your best life every single day.